everyone, this is projectile motion. So the purpose of the lab is to compare the position of a projectile affected by gravity and drag computationally and experimentally. The experimental model was through Tracker app, and the computational model was through GhostScript. So there are four principles of this lab. First, we have the position update formula, given which allows us to find the updated position given the terms. So then we have the velocity update formula, which allows us to find the velocity update. And then we have the force of gravity vector, which is 0 comma negative mg with comma 0, which basically states the force of gravity is given by mg and is pointing towards the negative direction. Then we have drag force, which is minus b, and then the magnitude of the velocity squared vector times unit vector, and in this case negative b is a proportionality constant. Okay, so our lab procedure was basically to capture a video of a wadded up ball of paper being thrown as a projectile. We imported the video into the tracker application to track the position of the paper ball on a frame-to-frame time period. Then we use GhostScript to create a computational model of the same paper ball being thrown here. This is a computational model through GhostScript being thrown for t seconds. Then add the drag force and manipulate the proportionality constant to manipulate the output of the code. And then we just plotted the generated data, both computationally and experimentally, to compare the output of the experiment. So the analysis of the experimental results. So on top we have the the first two timestamps of the ball being thrown. We have the x and we have the position of the ball in the x direction and position of the ball in the y direction. We can use that two coordinates to find the initial velocity. As you can see, we have change in time being 0.033 seconds. Change in x, we have 0.05 as a change. And then change in y, we have 0.105 meters. We divided the change in x and change in y by change in time to find the initial velocities. And we also found the angle in which the ball was thrown.